Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Melissa, and if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. Alright, so a good friend of mine shared this recipe with me a few months back, and I've made it a few times now, and it is called beer bread. Alright, so go ahead and pause the video right now and take a screenshot so you can have the recipe, or it will be down in the description box below. But here are the ingredients. So we're going to need 3 cups of flour, and we're going to sift it into our bowl. And then we'll need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. I like to use this one by Bob's Red Mill because it has no aluminum added. Then a 1/2 cup of butter, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and a 12-ounce can of your favorite beer. I'm not much of a drinker, so I'm not really aware of what would be totally right for this, but I've been using this one. And before we get started with mixing our ingredients, we need to preheat our oven to 375, and then we need to melt our 1/2 cup of butter. You of course can do this in the microwave if you like. I don't own a microwave, so I do everything on the stovetop. Alright, so first in our mixing bowl we need to sift our 3 cups of flour, and we're just going to do a little bit at a time. I have made this recipe before without sifting, and you get a chunkier bread, but I think it tastes a lot better with it sifted, so don't forget that step. Alright, and after it's sifted, we're going to add our 3 teaspoons of baking powder, our 1 teaspoon of salt, our 1/4 cup of sugar, and you can use whatever kind of sugar you like, and our 12-ounce can of beer. And then I like to use an oiled wooden spoon to mix it, and I also like to oil my hands as well once I get to that step. And once our dough mixture here is mostly combined, we are going to switch to using our hands. And we're not going to really need to knead this dough, we're just going to help get it a little bit more together and in the shape of a loaf. And now it's finally ready to pour into an oiled loaf pan. And now for the last ingredient, we're going to pour a 1/2 cup of melted butter on top. And one last step before it goes in the oven, I like to take a fork and just help that butter spread down below. Alright, now it's ready for our 375-degree oven, and we're going to let this bake for 1 hour and let it cool for 15 minutes after it's done. Alright guys, there is our beer bread. It looks amazing and it tastes even better. Alright, if you get a chance to make this, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. There's a link down below. I love to see you guys make my recipes. Make sure to tag me and make sure to say hi too. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe so I can see you in the next video.